scores right now. Judgeszone.com.
What a freestyle to start things off here. Chris Kohler and Mayhem gets a big air, the great use of the entire track, and then lands a Morgan & Morgan backflip, but just lands pretty hard on that back BKT tire, pops it, and lands also out of bounds, so his run is done. Get that score locked in. Your scores are locked. Your score for Mayhem is 8.059.
Right here, I just kind of pulled them to the side. They were like, us? Yeah, you guys. All right, we are going to do something. We're going to play Name That Truck. I got a few tickets to Supercross for you. How's that sound? Sounds good. Yeah, MX playoffs right here. Now it's in San Luis. It's a little travel, but I got 4 tickets for you. All right, congrats. Thank you for playing Name That Truck. Make some noise if you're ready for more freestyle.
Driver coming up, it's Joe Foley, X.
scores right now on judgeszone.com.
What a save after save after save! Camden Murphy, classroom crusher, freestyling out here in Lucas Oil Stadium. Give this man a round of applause. When you just thought the run had ended, it does not. Time to get those scores locked in. Judgeszone.com. Scores are locked. Your score to beat 9.0898. Your score for Classroom Crusher is 9.398. We got a new leader.